Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by placing the compressor on the track or bus and selecting a type that suits the material. Choose VCA for control, optical for smoothness. Next, set input so levels average around -6 dB. This gives headroom. Then engage a modest ratio like 2:1 and set attack to 10 to 30 milliseconds and release to 100 to 400 milliseconds. These starting values let you hear the compressor work without crushing dynamics. Once you hear compression, lower the threshold until the gain reduction meter reads roughly 2 to 6 dB on the louder sections. This gives control without lifelessness. Then tweak attack and release to shape transient punch versus sustain. Faster attack tames hits, slower attack lets transients through, so listen for musical effect. Make up gain to match perceived loudness and regularly a /B with bypass to confirm tonal improvements. Make subtle moves rather than extreme leaps. You finish by placing a light compressor on the bus with a low ratio like 1.5 to 1 up to 3 to 1 and a slow attack. Aim for 1 to 3 dB of gain reduction to glue the mix. If you need more presence, try parallel compression or sidechain the bus to preserve transients. Finally, if you hear pumping, distortion, or unstable behavior, reduce ratio or attack, lower input gain, and recheck gain staging to eliminate overloads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.